What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. I'm using that same old voice again. Well, I tried to do the talking in the last video, and I was watching it back, and I realized, holy cow, Jacob, you're not inflecting at all. And the reason why I think I wasn't doing that was when I was recording the audio for the Animal Kingdom video, I was doing it in my apartment, and while I was doing it, I could hear my neighbors upstairs on their porch. Well, if I can hear them that clearly, obviously they can hear me. So then the voice in my videos ended up being like, "Hey everybody, welcome to the show." And God. But it's a process around here, and we're learning how to do it step by step. These videos will probably be in the archive of videos, archive, however you want to call it, that, people will be like, look how bad these videos were when he started. Which I love, of course, because, you have to do it like that. If you could hear that my voice is a little gone right now, that's the reason why this video came out so late, because I am attached to using showcasing my personality in my videos, but as soon as I decided to do that, it's like the universe was saying, not so fast, buddy. You go ahead and get sick and then lose your voice, which sucks. But in any case, welcome to the show. Welcome to my new painting. This painting took place after a couple visits to the Magic Kingdom, and of course, well, the process of this castle actually started very early on in my painting career. God, that's so pretentious. Oh my God. Oh my. Well, anyway, in my painting excursion, or however you want to call it, and so basically I did the outline based on a sketch that I created a long time ago, a couple of years ago, and I knew that I didn't have nearly the talent or whatever yet to go about doing it, so I put it on the back burner. And there it sat back in the back of the warehouse for probably like 5 months or so. And, one of these days I was thinking, man, I just can't think of anything I want to paint. And then I saw that thing, and let's get going.
Tomorrow's brighter than you can imagine. Come on, take my hand. I can lead you with my hope and a wish. And off we go to the place we all belong. With the one who lives in you and me, with the sweetest things to believe. Like a shooting star within your heart. Every dream, make it free. It's a feeling that you hold inside. It's a friendship yet to unfold. We will celebrate when magic feels like home.
How fabulous!
When magic feels like home. When magic feels like home.
Let's go!
When magic feels like home. Magic feels like
Where become Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or
Everyone an England! Hey there, you milk rat!
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't you, boys?
Hey, what's that?
what's funny to me is, I can guarantee you that there are some folks watching this video thinking, oh, wow, how cute. Look at that. He's doing a take on Starry Night. And he doesn't even have a tenth or a fingernail's worth of talent that Van Gogh has. But you know what I have to say about that, my friend, buddy? This YouTube channel only has 100 subscribers. I'm not trying to put this thing in the Louvre or anything like that. So leave me alone. So yeah, this video, or this painting that rather, is my take on Vincent Van Gogh's Starry Night. That painting, to me, gives me a feeling of being at home, or kind of like a dreamy home or whatever. And that's kind of what I feel about the Magic Kingdom in particular, and Walt Disney World as a whole, is that it really does. It's a lot of people's home away from home. Like when they go to the Magic Kingdom, they feel like they're home, and I just love that. So I kind of tried to do a dreamy, Van Gogh-y kind of take on the castle, and I like how it turned out, of course. Maybe I should have spent some more time on the grass and stuff, but, this thing actually took a really long time. It has had some ups and downs in this painting. There are some periods where I just thought, holy cow, I am seriously about to just give up on this thing. So I'm happy that I persevered. I'm happy that I stuck through, and when I didn't like it, just painted over. See, my first take was some kind of like, I had the painting done, I had the castle done, and I tried to do like graffiti kind of style around it, and it ended up just being way too busy. So I painted over it and started fresh. And from there, it was definitely some highs and lows. Definitely some, I feel like I messed it up. I feel like I did this. But, stuck with it. So here we go. For the rides that were featured in this video, that I used those in particular because they're my three favorite at the Magic Kingdom. Ranked 1A and 1B in no particular order, of course, is the Thunder Mountain and Pirates, and an honorable mention would have to be the Haunted Mansion. At this point in the painting, this is when I really started to get a sense of relief that I was finally going to settle on something that I liked, because like I said before, there had been so many days where I came to work on this painting and I would leave feeling like, it's never a fun feeling when you're doing art, when you leave after a couple hours of working and you feel like it's not as good as when you first started. But that happens quite a bit. Well, at least to me, of course. That's why I'm a novice. There I go with the clicking again, which is, I'm going to leave this all in. That way someone comments about it, and I can get some user engagement on my videos. Well, anyways, that about concludes the video for me. I hope you had as much fun watching as I had making it. And thank you for tuning in. I'll be coming up with some more pretty soon. Things are starting to calm down a little bit here with my personal life. So hopefully I can get back to making more videos soon. So thanks for watching, everybody.
To our new passengers, we welcome you aboard our highway into God.